Once upon a time, in a vast and beautiful garden, lived a tiny, yellow locust named Louie. Louie was not like other locusts. While they loved to eat leaves and hop around, Louie had a special gift: he could talk. Every day, Louie would chat with the flowers, sing with the birds, and dance with the bees. But he felt something was missing. He wanted to do something extraordinary. One sunny morning, Louie decided to embark on an adventure. He hopped off to the neighboring forest, where he had heard about a hidden treasure. The forest was dark and mysterious, but Louie was not afraid. He met a wise old owl named Oliver who told him, "To find the treasure, you must follow the path of the golden leaves." Louie thanked Oliver and continued his journey. The path was long and winding, but Louie didn't give up. He hopped and hopped, avoiding thorny bushes and deep puddles. Finally, he saw a glimmer of gold in the distance. With a leap of joy, Louie reached the treasure, a beautiful, golden apple. He was overjoyed but realized that the real treasure was the adventure itself. He had met new friends, seen beautiful sights, and learned about courage. Louie returned to his garden, not with a golden apple, but with stories of his adventure. The flowers, birds, and bees listened in awe. Louie had truly found something extraordinary. From that day forward, Louie was no longer just a tiny locust. He was a hero, a friend, and an adventurer. And every night, as he closed his eyes, he would dream of his next adventure. The end.